In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a magnifying glass in After Effects. Start by creating a new solid layer, and add a grid effect from the Effects panel. Add new adjustment layer, and add transform. With the adjustment layer selected, I'll mask out the unnecessary parts by using the ellipse tool. I'll draw the mask at the center of the frame while holding the Shift key, to keep the shape round. Change the scale value into around 150. Deselect the layers, and make a round shape layer, by drawing an ellipse tool at the center of the frame. Select the adjustment layer and align the round shape layer and the circular mask. Lastly, parent the adjustment layer to the shape layer, by dragging the pick whip tool. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or any tutorial request, feel free to comment them below. Please subscribe if you like this video or thumbs up. See you on the next video.